Hi friends, if you have decided to make a WordPress website, choosing a theme is an important thing for you, and knowing the theme features is also very much important for you. So this channel WordPress themes is made for this only, and in this channel I always show you the theme features, installation process, demo import and the theme panel. So in this video I got a wonderful theme. This theme is called Blessings. It is a responsive WordPress theme for church website, in fact. So this is a rarely chosen theme, and because it is dedicated to church websites only. And if you have decided to make a church website, this is a wonderful selection. This is going to be a good catch for you. And this theme has wonderful look, and the theme was developed by Ocean Themes. They are renowned developers and they are Power Elite author as well. The theme was developed in 2017 and regular updates is also being done. Let us take a look of the demo of this website. First, this is the landing page of Blessing theme. And the slider start with this slide, and it is a very stunning, comfortable and suitable look for a church website, and it is having all the features which should be in a church website, in fact. So we can take a look of inner pages. This is the event page because no event is added here, so nothing is displayed here. And this is the page for sermons, and this is news. And this website, this theme is also having a shop option for making some e-commerce activities. And this is the church page, simple and best. Gallery is also too good. In this video we are going to install and import the demo of Blessing WordPress theme, and we will also take an overview of the theme panel, what features are available. So let us start. I got a fresh installation of WordPress in which 2021 WordPress theme is installed, the latest one, and I have a theme pack, and the theme pack I got data export, documentation, licensing, plugins. 2 plugins are here, and the theme packs. So this is the extract of that theme pack. So we can start the installation process now. Go to the WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, upload theme, choose blessing.zip, and if you are having access on your cPanel, you can directly upload the same in the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same to save some time. Blessing.zip, and this is very lightweight theme, in fact 2.15 MB in size, so it got uploaded, and now we can extract it. We got Blessing folder here, the theme section, and all the components of themes are in this. Now we can delete the blessing.zip. We are not going to use it further. Now come to the theme section. Blessing is here, and definitely we will check the details. Blessings version 1.6.1.4. This is the details, and we can activate it now. And once we activate the theme, we get an alert to begin and to install the required plugin set, and we can now begin the installing plugins. And this is the plugin set which has been given with the theme, and we can install all this one by one. I never recommend to go all at once. We will start from the core. OT sermons, OT visual composer, all things are here. So first we need to install OT visual composer. Activate OT visual composer. OT sermons, activate OT sermons. OT one click demo import, activate. WP Bakery Visual Composer, it is 6.4.2, activate. Revolution Slider 6.3.2, and it landed to the Visual Composer welcome page. We need to go back again in the required plugin installation section. Kirki, it is the customizer framework. In fact, it is good one, I have seen in many websites. So Ocean themes are renowned developers, they are using good things always. And we also need to activate Revolution Slider. So choosing a good development firm is also necessary in deciding a theme, so you should keep in mind all these factors. Metabox, activate Metabox. Contact Form 7, activate Contact Form 7. And as you can see, there is no WooCommerce given in the theme plugin installation suggestions, so I am not installing it, but this theme supports WooCommerce as well, so if required you can install WooCommerce additionally. So I am just following the developer form instructions, and now I have installed all the plugins and themes. Activate events calendar. Now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme. And the theme has been installed, you can see here, but there is no content. So next we need to import the demo, and for importing the demo we have an option to, under appearance section, import demo data. Click on it, and here we can choose any option. So it is main demo, home 2 and home 3. We will definitely install the main one. So click on main demo install, and the progress bar is showing the status, what is going on. Just be on this page, don't try to refresh or leave this page, it may take some time. So images takes time because media file is large in size, so there are more than 350 images I can see. So import completed with the images, and now we can again take a look of our website. Yes, so it has been done, and all the components are here as we seen in the demo, and we have completed the installation process along with the demo content, and the wonderful website for the church is here for putting the original content. I have seen the themes developed at Ocean Themes are always good in nature, in function, and its loading time is also very good, and all the websites runs very fast. Without optimization you can see the speed. So optimization is another work for gaining the speed of website. This is wonderful theme, and if you have decided to develop a church website, this is a very good choice for you. And it has in fact 3 home pages, so we will take a look of another home page as well. This is home page 2, and it is also very good. Get to the point. Events calendar, so events is not uploaded yet, so there should not be any. Oh, it goes to the demo, and we can check the home page 3 as well. And 3 is also having same slider in fact. It is also almost same as 2, but this is the main. Now yes, everything is done, everything is functioning well. Now we can take a look of the WordPress panel, what is even additional here, and as we can check, sermons are additionally even here. Then these are the sermons. You can control sermons here, and the rest of things can be handled through customize option. There is no another options available except sermons, so you need to control rest of things from the customization section only. So we can take a look of that. These are the header, menus, widgets, event calendar, blog, footer, styling, preload, miscellaneous, and additional CSS. So this is a look of our new website for the church, and you can definitely put your own contents, logo, etc. for completing this website. So if you feel any difficulty in installing or importing demo or having some questions, you can ask those in the comment section of this video. I'll give you important links as well and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring some more good themes and plugins, utilities for you. Keep watching. Thank you very much.